Budget laptops don't have to look or feel budget. MSI is refreshing their Cyborg lineup, including a brand new 17-inch model, versus last year where we only had a 15.6-inch model. The semi-transparent design that we first saw with last year's model is carried over to a brand new chassis, which has a lot more of those design elements to the top keyboard deck as well, which actually allows you to now see more of the internals of your laptop. This year's Cyborg A17 and A15 AI features up to an Intel Core 7 240H or an AMD Ryzen 7 260. While we don't have details on it yet, we're expecting it to feature up to a GeForce RTX 5060. And we also see the return of the 4-zone RGB keyboard with customizable color effects. Both laptops feature a full HD 1920 by 1080 display with a 144 Hz refresh rate IPS level panel. At 4.3 pounds, it's not the lightest, but especially with that translucent design, it does make it look a lot thinner than it really is. You'll also notice that the benefit here is that we do have a number of full-size ports, including full-size HDMI, a full-size USB, a USB Type-C, our 3.5mm jack on the right-hand side. Nothing on the back except for our cooling. And then on our left-hand side, obviously we've got the Kensington lock. We have Ethernet and another full-size USB. Personally, I would have liked to see an additional USB Type-C, but this is still very good port selection. And then jumping up to the larger 17.3-inch model, this weighs about 5.3 pounds and also has the same port selection. Another new upgrade for both models that a lot of people may not notice right away is that they actually have a new built-in privacy shutter, whereas the previous model did not. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but based on last year's model, which started at around $900, with the new upgrades this year, we're probably going to estimate that this starts closer to $1,000, which is still a really good starting price for a budget laptop. But let me know what you think about the new Cyborg 15 and the new Cyborg 17-inch. Personally, I'm a big fan of this new design here. It's really unique, not something that we've really seen on any other laptops, especially a more budget laptop, but I think this could be a really good choice if you want good performance while also retaining really nice styling. Let us know in the comments and stay subscribed for more CES 2025 coverage. Until the next one, we'll catch you later.